All right, drink we're about to make is called a Southern Sparkler. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there and let it sit while you're making your drink. It'll be nice and chilled. Okay, put some ice in a glass and measure out 1 1/4 ounce of Southern Comfort. And follow that up with 1 1/4 ounce of grapefruit juice. And 1 1/4 ounce of pineapple juice. And 1 1/4 ounce of carbonated water. We're going to go ahead and shake those up. Get it nice and cold. If you shake it too many times, it's going to get all over the place from the carbonated water. So, all right, get your strainer and pour it in. We're going to garnish that with a flag, an orange and a cherry, unless you have a Confederate flag lying around. Bottoms up.